Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel Westside Creation, the home of creativity. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a market bag that is suitable for market women and hustlers. So I need my leather material, I need my tape rule, my scissors, my zip cloth, my zip head, my adjuster, my D-ring, and my 1-inch belt. So I cut out my leather material into 3 portions, 2 equal portions and 1 little portion. So the measurement for the big portion is 18.5 by 10, and so I'm going to cut one into 3 portions. The 2 big one you are seeing is 8 inches each, and the smaller part is 2.5 inches. Then the other part is 6, the one I'm holding is 6 by 12. So I'm going to attach my zip cloth just like I'm doing now. So this for the smaller pocket. This 12 by 6. So I'll sew it. This is the first pocket. So I'll take the other leather material and I'll attach my zip to it. I'll attach the zip on both the big one, that's the 8-inch. I'll attach my zip and I'll attach it to the second one also, then attach everything together just like I'm doing to form one straight leather. So when you sew your zip close, you top stitch it. Make sure you top stitch it. So after sewing the zip close, top stitch it, I'll attach the zip clothes to the other one just like I'm doing now. So attach everything together. After sewing the zip clothes, I'll attach everything. The smaller portion of the 2.5 inches, I will sew it to the 2 bigger portion of the leather to form one straight leather. I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers, my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you for showing me love, for always returning to watch my channel. Thank you. And to you that will subscribe after this video, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you. So this is the part where I attach all the leathers together. Just watch me closely, you will get it. So when you attach it, you top stitch it. Just like I'm doing, you top stitch it. So next you attach your zip head to it. You need 2 zip head for this one. So you attach it. Then you take your D-ring, your small D-ring, cut a portion of your belt, sew it on one side of the leather material, just like I'm doing now. So after sewing it, you take your belt and your adjuster, you attach it to the other side, then you sew it up to close it. After sewing, look at it. So you get the other part and you sew it together and you trim the excesses. Isn't it very easy? Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying it. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment. Thank you.